Hey guys, it's Chantel. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing my version of the veggie grinder sandwich. It's like super old, but I went to Subway, got my usual veggie, and then came home and just mixed up salad dressing with it. I didn't put cheese on it because vegan cheese to me, like just eating the sliced cheese by itself, like without being melted, I don't like it. And I didn't want to melt cheese on this sandwich because it's a cold sandwich. But anyways, so I mixed that all up. Let me show you one side. I guess I could have got more toppings, but he asked me and I was like, no, I'm good. But that's that. And then I have the other half here. I have jalapeno chips, of course. And then I have some Ruffles here. Ruffles? No, Lay's wavy. And of course my Dr. Pepper. I'm gonna get a thumbnail. All right, let's get first bite. Let's get a first bite. Let me add my chips, because you gotta add chips to the sandwich to make it crunchy and to make it kind of full. All right, let's get first bite. Let me switch these sandwiches. Here we go. These chips are so spicy. I'm gonna fill this up a little bit. All right, you guys can see my food. Here we go. This morning, when I got on YouTube, uh-oh, is this falling? Okay. I saw YouTuber Steph Pappas' father died in a car accident on Sunday night. Her mom was in the car as well. Hold on one second. Sorry, I got a call. So yeah, Sunday night, her parents were leaving her house. They just had dinner, she said, and someone they think there was driving drunk or under the influence crossed over the lanes and crashed, and he died instantly along with her dog, and the mom was lucky enough to make it out. But I'm like, man, that's so sad. And I wasn't, just disclaimer, I don't put people's, like, I don't know, I didn't want to put this in the title for views, because I've seen already people, I mean, you can take it how you want it, but I feel like sometimes people use certain topics for, I don't know, certain topics I wouldn't put in my video for views. That's what I'm trying to say. Like a serious topic, I wouldn't be like, oh, her, you know, put her name, hashtag her name for the views. Obviously we do it for other things, but I just felt like people shouldn't do that when people have a, you know, something serious happen. Unless you personally know who the people are, like you personally are friends with her, you know, on YouTube or whatnot. Especially if like she hasn't even put a video out yet, you know. But anyways, just trying to be respectful, but I just wanted to mention it because it's just, it's like I literally just saw, because her dad makes videos too, and it's like I just saw them in a video, so it's just so crazy how do you see someone in a video and next minute they're gone. It's like so sad. feel like it's just a weird angle. So you guys, you know how I told you guys for the month of September, Cold Stone, you get double points if you order or go in store from 12 to 5. So I go at lunchtime. So I go at my lunchtime, and so my manager was like, "We're gonna go for lunch," and I'm like, "Don't judge me. I'm going to Cold Stone again." And she's like, "Oh my goodness," or whatever. And she's like, "That's what you're eating?" I'm like, "No, I just want to get it today, like, you know, right now at lunch." So I go get it last night after work, you know, bring it home, put it in the freezer. Usually I'll eat some that night, but it was just late and like I just didn't have any. So wake up, you know, everything's normal, and so I go to get ice cream just a little bit because I wanted to just have a taste. And I don't know what, it tastes so weird. Like, I don't know if the like the scooper wasn't clean. I don't know what it was. I don't know if another flavor got mixed in, but I kept tasting different, like it was in my ice cream. Like I was tasting different areas of the ice cream. You know, thinking like maybe it's just in this spot. I don't know what was up the ice cream. So I call them, I'm like, "Hey, this is what happened." And so she's like, "I'm gonna call the manager," because I'm sure it's gonna be yes, but I'm gonna just call the manager. So she goes in the back, the manager's like, "Yeah, come on in, search it out." So I get there and she's like, "Do you want to sample it?" I was like, "Okay." I'm like, "Do you know if this is the same batch from yesterday?" She goes, "Oh, I don't know because I didn't close." I'm like, "Okay." So I taste the sample. Totally tastes fine. And then she's like, "If you want, I can get you a new one," because that one was almost gone. I said, "Okay, like, thank you, appreciate it." So then she's like, "Do you want to taste this one?" I'm like, "Yeah, tastes totally fine." I don't know what was up. So she even gave me more free toppings. So I gave her a tip. Like, she's super nice. She helps me 90% of the time because I think the days that she works, I just happen to go those days because, you know, I'm pretty much going the same days because, you know, I run out of ice cream in X amount of days, and I guess she just happens to be there. So it's really nice. So I was like, "Oh, like, can I give you a tip, whatever?" Because I'm not trying to mess up my ice cream situation, you know? Going and screaming and carrying on does not help at all. But you know, so what's even worse about these videos that people are like throwing stuff, vandalizing, tearing stuff off the wall, throwing chairs, food, whatever they can get their hands on with the employees. Some of them are like, "I want you to remake my food." "No, I want my food now." Do you really think that someone's gonna make your food and not give you a surprise for acting so nasty towards them? Or I like the term, I was watching the Chrisleys, and he was like, "Are you acting ugly? Are you acting ugly, Chloe?" But yeah, they're like, "I want my food now." I'm like, I wouldn't even want the food, and I wouldn't even serve them. I'd be like, "Get out." I think the only time I've witnessed that was I was at the Del Taco drive-thru once, and it was busy, and I was probably like the second car up next to get my food. And this Hummer comes around the side, because this drive-thru is very like, you could turn in the drive-thru, but also cars can come on the side. So that's what this big ass Hummer did. And the girl gets out, goes to the window, and she's like, "This is how you make a taco? You know how to make a taco?" Whatever it was. And she like, what I saw, like threw it back at them or something. I don't know, but that's what it looked like to me. No. Just get the refund, because more than likely you're gonna go back. I'm telling you, that last time when I was waiting 30 minutes for my order and was sitting right there at Chick-fil-A, and I was just like, "Can I get a free cookie for waiting 30 minutes?" Give me a cookie, biscuit, chicken biscuit, and hash browns. But yeah, I just think that's kind of crazy. That was good, guys. I didn't realize how hungry I was. I ate earlier, but I didn't have that much. I think I had like a grilled cheese or like a hash brown. I think that's all I eat today. No wonder I'm hungry. Anyways, I'm gonna save this other half for my lunch tomorrow. And again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.